another review, guys. This time we have the Victsing Pioneer Rechargeable Bluetooth Mouse. I got this off of Amazon, as you can see by this cool sticker here. Right, I was looking for something to help me when I'm editing. I really don't like using the little trackpad on my computer. It just feels very small and very limiting. I tried to use a mouse I got off on Wish. And honestly, it worked for like a day, and then it just stopped losing. It just lost connection. So I went ahead and I invested a little bit. I got this off for 35 bucks online on Amazon. I'll see if I could drop a link somewhere if you guys want to check it out yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and undo the unboxing. I'm gonna try it out for like maybe a week or two, and then come back at you with, I guess, the review part. All right, so before we do the unboxing, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button.
Alright, so let's just go ahead and start cutting this open. Before I start, guys, I'm going to remind you guys on some knife safety. After you open up your knife and you're done cutting, close it up and put it away. I don't know how many YouTubers I've seen on here that fucking make me cringe when I see it. They open up their boxes and they just put the knife down, and then they forget about it, and they don't talk about that. Close your fucking knife. Lock it up when you're done. Alright, so you open the box and this is what you have inside. The Victsing wireless mouse. I'm pretty sure I'm not saying that right. From what I saw online, you could connect it up to 3 computers and just by switching the little tab on it or whatever it is, a little button, it switches between different computers. And I have 2 different ones that I usually work on, so this is right up my alley. Alright, go ahead and open it. Pull a little tab right here. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Fucking here it comes. Oh, you can't see it because there's a fucking wrapper in the way. So I'll read that in a bit. And there it is. This is what you purchased here. Go ahead and open that up. You get the... This is how you charge it. And this is how, I'm guessing, it connected to your computer. The wireless part of it. Go ahead and set that down here so I don't lose it. And this is the mouse itself. Oh wow, this feels good. I thought it was going to be smaller than what it is, but this feels good. Oh wow. I'm guessing this is where you set what computer you wanted to go to, the on and off button. There's some side scroll action on the side right here by your thumb. You got 2 other buttons right there as well, and then your normal, you know, everyday mouse buttons, scroll wheel. I guess I need to find out what that button's for, but that's about it. I looked at the instructions, and it said to just go ahead and turn it on, and it should be ready to set up with Bluetooth. So go ahead and turn it on. Alright, that's what it looks like. Get out of here, trash. And then it says the mouse default is in BT1 mode with its indicator light flashing slowly. Long press the mode for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Flashing. As soon as it flashes, it came up for me. Go ahead and connect it. And your device is ready to go. Done. Yeah, and there it is. The mouse is working. Oh, that was simple. Look at that. Alright, so we're on the Mac now. To go ahead and switch over from that, you're going to have to pick up your control and go ahead and short press it once to switch over to BT2. You see how it switches down to the bottom? Now we're going to go ahead and hold that for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And you see it starts dropping. So we're going to go over here to Bluetooth on the Mac. Open Bluetooth preferences. And it's right there. Connect. B24.0 plus 2.4G mouse. And it's connected. Yeah, there you go. And now it's working on the Mac. It's that simple. So switch over from one to the other. I'm gonna go ahead and close this right here. And I want to go close this one over here, so I would just have to flip it over, flip my mouse over, hit it once, twice to get to BT1. I'm on this computer, and I'll go ahead and close it. Boom, done. Just like that. Now I'm working with one mouse on two different computers. I'm motherfucking Batman. Well, that's what I feel like whenever I'm gonna be working with this. But again, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out for a week or two, edit a video or two, surf the web a bit, and then I'm gonna get back to you on my official review. But honestly, I already feel like I'm gonna like it because I'm just switching between two computers, and it feels pretty smooth while I'm scrolling and moving around. Before I go, I completely forgot about the last part. There's one more way to connect to another computer, and that's with the USB. You just go ahead and plug it in, and I'm guessing it's as simple as that. I don't have something else to go ahead and plug it in. I only have an Xbox, but I doubt I'll be using it on that. And I'm pretty sure it's as simple as the Bluetooth. And all you have to do is plug it in and go over to the third one, which would be the top one, the top light right here. And that would be for the USB. But like I said, I don't have anything for that, so I'm just not going to use that for now.
Many months later.
So it's been about 7 months, and my hair and my beard have gotten longer, and I have nothing bad to say about this mouse. I honestly almost forgot to make this review. Here I am. We're not gonna skip it. We're not gonna forget it. Something I did not mention in the unboxing part of this video is that this little button right here, when you press it, it moves a cursor on the screen a little bit faster or slower. I'm guessing maybe this is for gaming. If you need a fast cursor around in your screen, that's the button you would press. I use it as in the lowest speed possible because there's little fine cuts I want to make, and I really don't want to, move my mouse a bit and it's on the other side of the screen already. In the whole 7 months that I've had this mouse, I believe I've only charged it twice, and it charged within like an hour. Honestly, it wasn't even that bad. So it holds like battery for like 3 months, so that's pretty good. I didn't really end up using it for editing. I ended up finding out that if you really want to take editing seriously and edit faster, you will be more productive if you just learn the shortcuts to the program, whatever program you use to edit. Even though I didn't use it for editing, it still really helped me a lot because I don't really have a lot of a desk area, and I do have 2 laptops I like to work with on here, and there's not much space to have 2 mouses roaming around here. So limiting it down to 1 really saves me space. I highly recommend this mouse. I'm gonna leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out, and find out what happens to my hair and beard in the next couple of episodes because I'm growing this out for a reason. We'll see what happens, guys. But thank you for checking out this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.